Saliva HCV Antibody Detection Kit is our company-independent research and development of rapid detection of hepatitis C products. This kit is used for the qualitative detection of hepatitis C virus, HCV, Ig antibody in human oral mucosal exudate using colloidal gold ionochromatography. Unlike traditional blood tests, you can easily, quickly and painlessly test yourself for hepatitis C virus infection in less than 15 minutes using our Saliva Hepatitis C kit. This kit has done a lot of clinical verification. The total coincidence rate reached 97.75%. The package is available in boxes of 20 persons and boxes of individual persons. The product includes cotton swab, diluent and test card. If you need more details, please feel free to contact us by phone or email.